Welcome back to another episode of Cappuccino Chat. This time we're talking about how time is running out for Windows 10. So just as we're all getting used to Windows 10, time is running out. And what do I mean by that? I mean Windows 10 is going end of life next year. Actually, on October 14th of 2025, Windows 10 will no longer be supported. That means we got to get everybody over to Windows 11 prior to that date. Here's my recommendations. Right now, any new computer you buy should come with Windows 11. If you're using it inside your business, whether it be on a desktop or laptop, you need to have the professional version just for some additional features that are built into that version versus the home edition if you happen to go out and get something with home on it. So now you also want to make sure that all your applications will run on Windows 11. So you may need to check with those manufacturers to make sure that they support Windows 11, and more importantly, that they support Windows 11 on the version you have. There are certain manufacturers that you have to upgrade to their latest, greatest, or purchase their latest and greatest in order to support Windows 11. So these are going to be all things that you need to know and work through before you upgrade all your computers and then find out after the fact that certain applications aren't going to work for you. Now, also be aware if you haven't worked with Windows 11 yet, it does look and feel a little bit different. Of course, Microsoft had to make it seem like you're getting something new, and they did that by moving things around and giving it a new look and feel, if you will. So there are some settings that can be done to kind of make it seem like Windows 10, but it does still look different. Things are in a different area. The menu pops up a little bit differently. So users are going to take a little bit of time getting used to the new interface. So again, you want to make sure that everybody is testing everything. So maybe you want to upgrade just one computer and the most tech-savvy employee you have on staff. That's their computer. They kind of test all the applications, printers, all that good stuff, just to make sure that there's no issues with the applications. The manufacturers do support it. The version you have is working, et cetera, et cetera. After that, you might want to consider replacing your computers rather than upgrading to Windows 11. So if your computer is 3 years old or older, I definitely would not put Windows 11 on it. Windows 11 does have some additional resource requirements. I know the spec sheet says differently, but in the real world, by the time you load up the OS and all the applications you need, we really need to be running 16 gigs of memory at a minimum on any machine running Windows 11. Remember, some of those older machines were built and designed around Windows 10 before Windows 11 even came out. So even if Windows 11 could get installed on it, it's going to make that older computer seem even slower because it wasn't designed for that older hardware. It's designed for newer hardware to take advantage of all the new technology we have built into our processors, our motherboards, hard drives, etc. So if you have that older computer, make sure, I would recommend, rather than taking the time and the labor to upgrade it, that you take that money and put it towards a new computer. We have time. We have till October 2025, so we have over a year to get ready and prep for this. We can slowly buy computers, deploy them, whatever needs to happen for you. But I would highly consider that versus just upgrade them. Now, if your computer's less than 3 years old and it's not currently running Windows 11, because this is something even for our clients that we just started doing, is enforcing Windows 11 only, we were putting Windows 10 on them. So if you have Windows 10, your computer's 2 years old or so, then you want to make sure that you are, we give the option to go ahead and test that Windows 11 upgrade. If you have any questions about upgrading to Windows 11, replacing equipment, what kind of specs you need for that, please feel free to reach out to us at 760-770-5200. Thank you.